Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. It is currently Saturday at the moment. It is 9 o'clock. I have just gotten to the shops and I just have to pick up a few things and then I'm going to do my friend's makeup because it is her gender reveal today. So my best friend Rhiannon, which you guys would have seen on my channel before, her sister is having a baby. So we're having her gender reveal today and I'm doing her makeup. And yeah, I thought I would take you guys along for that and just whatever I get up to this weekend. I'm literally so excited. This is my first ever gender reveal, so I think it's going to be really fun. So I will definitely take you guys along and get some footage and stuff for her as well. So if you guys are interested to see what I get up to this weekend, then just keep watching. Good morning guys, happy Sunday. It is currently like 9:30 in the morning. I have just gotten up and gotten ready and done my skincare and I am just about to head out the door. I'm so tired today. I don't know why, but I'm just feeling very tired today. So I don't think I finished vlogging last night. I didn't really do anything. I literally went to the gender reveal and it is a boy, so I'm super happy about that. She really wanted a boy, so I'm really glad that that was able to happen for her. So it'll be really exciting to see all of this happen and watch them be parents. I'm literally so excited. And then I came home yesterday afternoon and literally I think I got home at about 5-ish and then I just showered and watched TV and that was literally all I did. And then I think I was asleep by like 10 o'clock because I was just exhausted yesterday. Daylight savings has really like whacked me out, but super happy it's here, but it's just like made me tired. Anyway, yes, I've just done my skincare and I'm about to head out. I just wanted to show you guys what I've been using because my skin seems to really be liking it, so I just wanted to quickly share what I have been using. I want to do an updated skincare video, so definitely let me know if that's something that you guys would be interested in. But yeah, I will show you guys what I'm using currently in the morning time. In the morning time after I wash my face, I use the CeraVe hydrating face wash. I just put on some of the Ordinary hyaluronic acid. I love this stuff, literally nearly used the whole thing. Then I put some of the Alpha H vitamin C, and then this is my favorite sunscreen. I have never used a face sunscreen this good before and I've been using this for quite a while and this one is my favorite. So really good. It is SPF 50 as well, which is great. And yeah, my skin doesn't break out. It literally just feels like a serum, so my skin feels super hydrated and glowy afterwards. I don't even feel like I have to moisturize after using all of these because it just makes my skin super hydrated. That's what I've been using for my skin at the moment and it really seems to be liking it. Today I'm not really too sure what I'm doing. I have to go pick up something from Penrith now, so I'm going to go and do that, an order that I placed, and I'm going to go get a coffee. and I think I'm going out for lunch with Jesse after. He's just doing a job this morning that he had to do, and yeah, so he'll be ready this afternoon, well, about like 11-12 o'clock. So then I'll go and meet him, and then we're gonna go out for the day. I want to go to Bath and Body Works because they've brought out their Christmas stuff, I believe, so I want to go and have a look at that. And yeah, so I will take you guys along for whatever I do today. I'm not really too sure what the agenda is. My throat is sounding really weird at the moment. I have tonsillitis, so anyway, it's like a whole nother story. Yeah, sorry, this intro is probably really weird at the moment. I don't really know, I'm just like not with it this morning. But yeah, gonna go get a coffee to start, and then we will see where the day takes us.
Hi, can I get a grande iced caramel macchiato, please?
Sorry, was it a grande iced caramel macchiato?
Yes, please.
Thank you.
No, thank you.
No worries, have a good day.
Thank you.
So I just went and picked up my order from Marla & Co, and I just wanted to show you guys because it's literally the cutest thing ever. So I got this matching card diffuser and keychain set. Look how cute. If this isn't me in like a keychain, I honestly don't know what is. Literally all my favorite colors. So cute. And then I picked up 2 of these air fresheners. So this one says Hello Sunshine in bubblegum. Such a cute little air freshener. I love it, and it's massive too. And then I got this other air freshener in vanilla. Oh my god, it's literally so cute, and that one's huge as well. And then the scent that I got for the diffuser was vanilla caramel as well, so literally obsessed. So cute.
Thanks.
So as usual, I forgot to finish off the vlog and end it, so I'm just jumping on here while I'm actually editing this video before it's about to go live like a week later, and I just wanted to quickly jump on and end it so that I have an outro for this video. Please excuse my appearance. I literally just woke up like maybe half an hour ago, so I'm just trying to get it together still. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this week's vlog. It was a really nice one, being a gender reveal for my friend, and she's having a little boy, and I'm so happy for her. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys enjoyed this week's vlog, definitely give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure you go and follow me over on all of my socials as well. On Instagram, I'm always very active over there, and I will see you guys all in my next video.